What's up, YouTubers? This is the Swede commuter from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today we're doing some Sublime straight from Long Beach. Santeria. Okay, so anyway, I decided to put a capo on the 4th fret, please. So we don't have any bar chords and all that stuff. We got all open sweet chords for the acoustic guitar. Got C major. 1, 2, 3. We got E7. 1, 2. We got A minor. 1, 2, 3. And we got G. That's all the chords for the verses. And then we got one more for the chorus. We got an F. If you want to bar it, we can play F like this. I like this F. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so they start picking the C a little bit. This is the intro. Bang. Same chords, E7, A minor. F major, G, C, B over C to A minor. So from C, just move this guy here, second finger to A string, second fret, and keep first finger. That's B over C. A minor, F, G, C, A minor. That's the whole song. Easy peasy. Alright, thanks guys for tuning in. I'll see you tomorrow with more awesome hits. Be safe. Thank you.